state of allegedly funding BBI activities in violation of the Public Finance Management Act.
Reacting to the ruling delivered by the Supreme Court Thursday that upheld the Appellate Court's decision to throw out the BBI Bill, the Alliance now says its legislators will move a motion in the August House to compel the Auditor General to conduct a forensic audit of the total sum of monies spent on BBI.
John Jacob Curie has reported on this.
By a majority decision, the Supreme Court Thursday upheld a decision of the High Court and Appellate Court. Following the decision, the Kenya Kwanza Alliance, led by Deputy President William Ruto, now claims that BBI activities were funded by the Exchequer for the last 4 years in violation of the Public Finance Management Act, alleging the National Assembly had not appropriated monies to fund the activities.
It is important to note that public funds used in the constitutional process were not appropriated by the National Assembly for the purpose, but were rather an illegal diversion of public funds by some public officials.
The Alliance also wants public officials alleged to have diverted public money to BBI surcharged, and has therefore instructed MPs allied to the outfit to move a motion compelling the Auditor General to conduct a forensic audit of the total sum of money spent on BBI.
Section 37 of the Public Audit Act 2015, the Auditor General, upon request by Parliament, is required to conduct forensic audits to establish fraud, corruption, or other financial improprieties.
This even as ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi shot back at his critics, who have accused him of double standards in his criticism of BBI. In a statement, Musalia says he was among the first leaders to raise concerns over the initial BBI document, citing a number of clauses that needed review for the document to be all-inclusive. Musalia wants his critics to scrutinize his messages on BBI carefully, dissect the issues he raised, and make a comparison to the ruling of the court. And a cross-section of politicians, non-governmental organizations, and a section of clergy have called on Kenyans to accept the BBI verdict as a way of strengthening the rule of law in the country.
All players should respect the verdict of the court, whichever way it takes. And again, that is what gives us the reason to appreciate the functionality of every organ.
But this now has been demonstrated by courageous and gallant Kenyans who refuse to be intimidated and who refused for their democracy from being snatched away from them.
John Jacob Curie, Easy Friday.